shed update. Come see how we just spring cleaned our shed. Got a shed, got a garage, then you probably got clutter. Hey, Tori here with ToriToth.com, the place to be to create a home buyers, or anyone for that matter, will find irresistible. So we did a video about how we organized our brand new shed that we got from the Amish. So I actually want to show you how we organized it, what it looks like now, and how we just spring cleaned our shed. First off, I love this shed because you need a French door in order to get all your crap inside, right? Check it out. Check out all my dancing room. Yes. So we are inside my shed, which is a 10 by 20. Remember I told you we did split it a while back. This way we had part she shed, pool house, and then part shed. If you missed the first video, you can go check it out right here. But last time, I was showing you that we had just put this pegboard up and that I was planning on using it to store some of the equipment we have in our shed, and that I was also waiting for a tool chest, a massive tool chest standing right over here. Let me start with the tool chest, just because I love this thing so much. We picked it up at Home Depot. I'll put the link to this exact one, or just one that's similar, down below in the comment section so you can go check it out yourself. But this one's from Husky. So I love these cabinets. They come in different sizes so you can fit a bunch of different things inside. You know, screws and just a little tool kit, or it's the big drill. This is the messy drawer inside the cabinet. It's just got a bunch of random stuff in it. Inside here are just more smaller tools that we use. We can just grab them, put them back down. I also love the plastic grip that we used on the bottom of each of these cabinets, because it holds them in place so you can literally, look, slide your stuff in and out and it doesn't move. I'll put a link to that down below as well. And then this has more of the bigger tools that we have. This side is a bit smaller cabinetry, but you can see here we are still utilizing most of the stuff. Inside here, this is where we've got all of our air blowers, whether it's for the blow-up mattresses that we have, or the floaties for the pool. Again, some more wrenches inside here. This one, we haven't really found a good spot for it yet, but it's just a battery charger, furniture equipment, and of course, welding equipment down below. So this is the nice clean surface above our tool chest. This actually wood piece came with the chest, which is why I really did love it. It's also important to use vertical space inside your shed. This way you're maximizing your square footage. So this is an Alpha Track from the Container Store. It's pretty cheap. I'll put the link down below. And this is a way you can hang all your tools that you have up on your walls and save space on the floor. So as you can see on my pegboard, I decided to hang up the smaller tools that we use frequently, like a hammer and even screwdrivers. We also hung shelves to get stuff, again, up off of the floor and up off of surfaces. You don't want to forget to spring clean your garage as well. You want to start from the top and work your way down, cleaning out cobwebs and even blowing out dirt on the floors. Did I mention the best part about this entire experience is that we now have more clear surfaces to actually conquer projects this spring and summer. So for more home tips, check out ToriToth.com. Don't forget to subscribe below and check out this video next. Until next time, happy cleaning.